What animals would look like if they had no neck? Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Hippo? How does a hippo look without their neck? Ew, bro. Isn't that just a baby hippo though? Tiger, okay. How does a tiger look? Dude, it doesn't look right, bro. Am I tripping? Giraffe. Oh, this one's gonna be crazy. Yeah, that's not a giraffe, bro. That's not a giraffe. An ostrich. How does an ostrich look? Ew, dude. What is duck? Oh my gosh. An elephant? How does an elephant look? Where where is it, bro? Polar bear. How does a polar bear look? Dude, what is that? Yo, cheetah, okay. Dude, bro, it just makes them look ugly. I'm not gonna lie. Kangaroo, how does a kangaroo look? Yeah, see, that's disgusting. I'm telling you, that's disgusting. Llama, how does a llama look? That's disgusting, bro. Nasty. Donkey, let's see a donkey. Ew,